My name's Seth Fenby, and this is an inspection by video. Okay, what I have here is an International 3600 Series A backhoe. We're going to go around and look at the major components, and then we'll run and operate it. Okay, first look at the serial number, at least what I think is the serial number. This is the only plate I could find on the machine so far. But the serial number says GP54867. At least that's what this tag says. Okay, we'll look at the tires. Here we have the front left tire. It's probably about 80% tread left here, so it's in very nice shape. Okay, here we have the left side rear tire. It's probably about 70 to 80% tread left. These tires do have a little bit of dry rotting and a few cracks in them, but they are in pretty good condition. Okay, here we have the rear right side tire. It's probably about 90% life left. As you can see right here, it's in excellent shape. And then we have the front right tire. It's in good condition. It's probably about 80-90% life left on the tread as well. Okay, next we have the bucket on this machine. Here's the back, and here we have the loader linkage. The pins and everything seem to be pretty tight. I haven't noticed any excessive play in any of the pins. Here we have the front of the bucket. It's in pretty good condition. The cutting edge is worn back to the side edges here, as you can see, but the actual bucket condition is in good shape. There's no major cracks or anything that I can see anywhere on the bucket. Okay, this machine I'm sure was repainted at one time, but the paint on it is in pretty good condition, and cosmetically you can see here it's peeling some, but for an older backhoe the paint is actually in pretty good shape here. Just around to the boom and the stick. Have a pretty big bucket here. Pins and everything in the backhoe seem to be pretty tight. There's no excessive play in any of those. Pins in the pivot points here, they seem to be in pretty good shape. The one cylinder is leaking. You can tell that the boom is leaking around there whenever you shut it off. The outriggers. Going around to the right hand side here. We have another place where the serial number appears to be. Some of the paint is chipped off on the engine, as you can see right here. Okay, next we have the seat. The seat is in very good shape. I'm sure that was replaced at one time. And the side panels here with the doors and everything. Just the floor and the pedals. The steering wheel and the gauges and everything here. You have to hold this button in the starter aid for about 10 seconds most of the time. guys, thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up for my valiant effort on trying to operate the backhoe. I really didn't do that well on that, but at least you can see that it runs and operates. The major components seem to operate alright, and the machine does work. If you have any questions, there's a bunch of links down in the description there. You can email me or send me a text message or call me. And thanks a lot. Have a great day.